How to build a base. This is what you need right here. All these pieces right here, which I got from my sister's basket. So what you gotta do is you have all these pieces right here. I'll take a second or two to look at this. That was just for you can know what pieces you need. And then next I'm gonna show you what kind of pieces you need for the other side. Now 10 seconds. Okay, that I just got you looking for what pieces. And you need these pieces for the front of your area, in which you're going to have. If you don't have a window, take like a big square block like this, and then it has little things in front, and carve it, and find two of these and put little holes on the top, and just stick them in, and you put them right there. Okay, you can take a look at this real quick. Okay, and then how you build it right here is you take this, and you have to see how it connects right there, and you have these two little white pieces in front that you stick on. Then you'll have one space right there where I can stick this on. But sometimes when you do that, that's what you can do to make it so when you're traveling somewhere, you can hold three pieces like this and just walk out and stuff. So you take this front piece, put it in front, have that little space, put those pieces on, and then you have a base. This is the inside of the base where the people go, and then you can take your fingers and stick it right through here and open the windows. And then you can stick a gun, like a guy holding a gun, and you can like stick it out the window and put some other guys out in the side, like make a little game, try to make your own little game to like shoot, like I did, like this. Like when a guy's in here and he has the gun. See the gun? Probably should see the gun. And then the guys are here. Pew! And that's how you have a base. So now you have bases for when you play wars like that yourself. And you have no one else to play with, like your little sister sometimes. And there you go. You got a